Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US Highway 11, beginning at mile 91 in Onondaga County, New York. New York State Truck Route 298 is temporarily concurrent with US 11. The local name for US 11 here is Brewerton Road. We've just left the city of Syracuse, and now we're in the town of Salina. Salina is a northern suburb of Syracuse, named after the Latin word for salt. By the 2020 census, its population was 33,223. The area was originally inhabited by the Onondaga tribe and later became part of the Central New York Military Tract, though it was reserved for the Onondaga people. In 1797, the Surveyor General was authorized to designate part of the salt reservation created through a treaty with Native Americans for salt production. This reservation extended 1 mile around Onondaga Lake. The following year, in 1798, the village of Salina was established in what is now the Washington Square neighborhood, or the First Ward of Syracuse. The village consisted of 16 blocks, each divided into 4 house lots that sold for at least $40. The town of Salina was officially organized in March 1809. Its location along the Erie Canal spurred industrial growth. Salina's early history is closely tied to the Onondaga Lake area and the salt industry. Today, Salina comprises 5 small suburban communities: Liverpool, Mattydale, Lyncourt, Galevale, and part of North Syracuse. we enter the town of Clay, Syracuse's most populous suburb with a population of 60,527 as of the 2020 census. In October 2022, Micron Technology pledged $100 billion to build a large semiconductor complex in the White Pine Commerce Park in Clay. At Taft Road, we enter the village of North Syracuse. The village, initially called Centerville, changed its name to North Syracuse in 1880 and became an incorporated village in 1925. The Ferguson family, among the first settlers, arrived in 1826 and still live on the same land in the village center. Many local streets are named after them. On July 18, 1846, the United States' first plank road opened in North Syracuse, primarily for salt transportation. The road, costing $23,000, was 16.5 miles long and fully planked. Thomas Alvord, a state legislator who later became lieutenant governor, helped pass the act for its construction, maintenance, and toll collection. There were 4 toll gates, about 4 miles apart, operated by the company, which remained profitable for many years. Fees were 1 cent per head of cattle, 5 cents for a single horse, and 25 cents for a horse and wagon. North Syracuse was also the first village in New York State to have its own fire district, with the volunteer fire department established in 1913. US 11 is called Main Street throughout the village limits. We enter the town of Cicero, which had a population of 31,435 as of the 2020 census. Cicero was established in 1790 and named after the Roman orator Marcus Tullius Cicero. Initially, the area was primarily agricultural, but over time, it has developed into a residential community with a mix of suburban and rural areas. The town has experienced significant growth, particularly in recent decades, as part of the greater Syracuse area's expansion. The town's early history includes significant interactions with the native Onondaga people who originally inhabited the region. Notable locations within Cicero include the Cicero Swamp Wildlife Management Area, which provides a habitat for diverse wildlife and a place for outdoor activities like hiking and birdwatching. We conclude today's video at mile 96. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.